This video is going to show you how to get started with Linkmoney app. So you'll sign in with Google and just follow the prompts along there, and you will end up here. This is your license control panel. You'll just click to start, and it's going to ask you for your sitemap. I have an article here on how to get your sitemap, but I'll grab this one. Sitemap in. Now it's going to check the price. You can look at the plans here. This plan, this site has less than 100 pages, so I'm going to buy that. Then we're just going to fill out this Stripe information. Once you fill out your Stripe information, you'll be moved to the license control panel. And here's where you're going to activate your license. Now keep in mind here, this here says busy because we started your baseline scan, and we have an article there about that, but you'll need to wait. This will need to finish before you can actually do your main scan. There's a reason for that, and I'll show you. So we're going to accept this agreement. Now if you noticed here, it's already finished scanning, so now the license is activated. It's active. And now we need to go get the Linkmoney app plugin and install it. So we'll grab that, we'll go to setup. We will download the plugin. And this is just like any other plugin. I've included an article how to set up and install that, but I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to install the plugin. Basically add new, upload plugin, choose file, grab the plugin, and then install it. I'm going to activate it. There. Your Linkmoney app plugin is good to go. Now we'll go back to our license panel. And here you want to put in what is called your main Amazon store tag. And basically what that looks like is if you log into your Amazon Associates account, your store tag will be right here. That's your main store tag right here. And for this example, I'm just going to call it my store tag -20. Make sure you add the -20. And we're going to update the license. And now the license is updated. The next thing we want to do is make sure our plugin has our API key. So I'm just going to copy that, hit that button there, or copy that. And you can get to the plugin by either going to Plugin Tools Linkmoney app, Linkmoney app, or you can just hit Run Scan. And I'm going to paste that key here. And the key is now set. The next thing we want to do is take a look at our dashboard. This is that scan that ran, what we call a baseline scan. And this is important because there might be tags on here that you want to keep. These are all the tags. Linkmoney will generally find lots of different tags on a site, oftentimes not yours, or sometimes certain ones that you want to save. So I'll do that. I want to save a few of these. I want to save my fall collection. Actually, a good way to do this is to open up a second window. And I'll place it here. Fall collection, spring collection. Not everybody has multiple store IDs, but many do. So I'm going to show you how to save those. So now that we'll update the license. So now that I have this, any of these that you want to save, Linkmoney will not change to your main tag. That's the idea behind running this baseline scan. You can also look at it. It evaluated this many links, this how many affiliate links you have, how many short links you have, and so on and so on. But this is basically set up so you can look and save which ones you want. Now let's go back to our licenses. Get ready to run our first scan. So let's talk about these Linkmoney fix options. Expand links will, all your Amazon short codes will get expanded and checked to make sure they have the right store code, that they're not broken and so forth. So we always recommend, if you use amzn.to links, Amazon short links, click that, or I would just click it anyway. Cleanup links is taking these really long Amazon links that can be, basically the size of a whole page, and it shrinks your link down to a perfect sized Amazon link with just the ASIN and your store tag, just the exact amount you need. And if you use TablePress, you want to click that because it will also go into TablePress and fix all your links in TablePress. I would recommend, if you're not sure, just click all three. Then I'm going to update my license. All right, now we're ready to run our first fix. Let's hit the plugin. You can see my API's key is in there. This is the scan that just happened a few minutes ago with the baseline scan, and now I'm going to actually run my first fix. So I'll hit OK, send request, and now you'll see that Linkmoney app is started. We have this table here that will let you know kind of the progress. Typically, 100-page scan like this one will only take a few minutes. 1,000-page could take a couple of hours, depending on the speed of your site and the health of the site and so forth. But I'm going to pause this until this finishes, and I'll come back. As I'm watching here, you'll notice that this area here turned blue. So it's actually scheduling fixes now. It's pulled your site in, it's looking at everything, and then it's going to begin to fix all your posts one by one. And you'll notice in this box here, it'll change state to kind of tell you the status. But again, there it is, fixed 10 of 17 posts. Now keep in mind, again, a big site, this will take a lot longer. And as you go along, you'll receive emails when this is done. One, we got the activation and getting started details, and then it has told us that the baseline scan is complete. And when your fix is done, when this is done, it will send an email letting you know that it's done and you're ready to go take a look. Okay, your scan is complete. It recycled back to the Fix Affiliate Links button. That's how you know. You'll also receive an email. So now that it's done, we're going to go to our dashboard and take a look. And up here, we'll choose the most current scan, the last one. And now you can see that this is my store tag. And here's, again, all the store tags that were on your site that are now not on your site. And we have these 4 different reports, which I'll go into. But the first thing I like to do is I'm going to run a second scan while I'm watching this. And if it just took you a couple of hours to do this because you got a big site, no problem. We'll just come back to it when it's done. But I'm going to start a second one. And there it goes. And I'll just start that process. Again, go back to my dashboard. And what we can see here is the warning report will show you things that that we found along the way. They could be they could be links with JavaScript errors. They could have multiple tags on them. These are just things that we found that are strange that you need to look at. Like, for instance, these are real links. Look at this thing, and basically it's on this page. So you click that page, and you can find that Java link, JavaScript error on here, and then you just edit the post, go and fix those things, and then you'd run it again and fix them. Also, we show if you have different regions. For instance, this is UK, India, UK, and if they've got any kind of encoding problems. These are just issues that we found that we need to bring. We need to show you. Maybe you wanted some of those, but most of the time they're links that Linkmoney wasn't able to fix because we don't know what they were. We don't know what you meant by this. So this is alerting you to go fix this. Non-product links. Now these are links that are links that go to Amazon that do not go directly to a product. So for instance, here's a search query, which a lot of people don't have the store tags on their search queries. If you have a store tag on a search query, you will get your Amazon referral commission. So this shows you the different links that it fixed. There's help and there's Alexa, and these are your product links. These are every one of the product links on your site. And then the detailed report. This report shows you everything Linkmoney fixed. For instance, it took this short code and expanded it and put my tag on there. Okay. So that's the short version of these reports. On the site, I have full articles on each one of these, so you can take a look. And now we'll go back and see. So yes, my next scan, the one I just did just a few seconds ago, is finished. And the reason I like doing this one is now it's showing me here's all the store tags that are left on my site. And of course, it has my main one. And I wanted to save the fall collection, the spring collection, the summer collection, the winter collection. If I go to detailed report, there's nothing here because it didn't fix anything. All my product links will have the correct store tag on here. You can search the store tags that you have and search through where are those at. Well, let's look. And spring collection, summer and fall. You can kind of look down here at the very bottom. Let me get rid of this down here. And it says fall collection. If you look at the bottom down here at the right, summer collection. So it fixed the link. It shortened it into a nice, perfect little link, and it kept the right store tag on there. So that, in a nutshell, is how to run Linkmoney. What you want to do at the end of this is just kind of go through your reports. If there's something you want to change here, for instance, if you have a link to India here, you may want to change that to a United States one. If you don't have a Amazon account set up, associates account in India, you will not get your Amazon commissions. And just kind of go through these things. If there's anything weird happening, again, some of these we can't fix because we don't know what you meant by them. But everything else is fixed. Let's look at my searches. My searches now have store tags on them, right? Yeah, like they should. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.